you enjoyed that. Let's look at a couple of these techniques in more detail. Notice how Munfbat goes for this high overhand grip, but it slides down. She wanted a higher grip, but it ends up lower on the back due to Funa Tonaki, who was able to push away to create some space and then put in an overhook, which resulted in that grip being much lower, weakening the control and contributing to the success of this counter. The other key thing to look at is the right leg of Funa Tonaki. When Munfbat goes to hit that Sumi Gaishi, the right leg of Funa Tonaki has already left the ground, and the left leg of Tonaki comes in and bashes the leg of the Mongolian, and we get this great pin finish. Notice how the right leg's already left the ground, the left leg swinging into the opponent's leg. Munfbat recovers quickly and tries to throw Tonaki over her left shoulder, but Funa Tonaki obviously had a base with her right hand and was able to move to the pin in one of the more impressive ippons in recent World Championship history. This next clip is really exciting, and until you slow it down, it's really difficult to work out just what exactly went on and why it went on. So the thing I want to focus on with this one is the grip exchange and the strategy that Funa Tonaki used to get the grips that she wanted. So she starts off with a lower lapel grip. It's not an ideal grip. She moves into a drop tai otoshi, but notice that she controls the arm with her left hand and passes it to her right hand during this drop tai otoshi attempt. And she also now has the collar grip, which she'll use when moving towards the choke. So see how she's pulling on her opponent's left sleeve. So her opponent really needs to commit to this Morote attempt. Otherwise, it's going to be a simple turn for Funa Tonaki. But we get something that's not so simple, something that's very unusual. We see the agile Funa Tonaki, typically so graceful on her feet, but this time just as agile with the use of her head. She's able to bounce under her opponent. And the Russian had generated so much momentum with the commitment to get this Morote Seonage that it was fairly simple for Tonaki once she got the head under the stomach, because she had the grips in place. And from there the Russian bellies down, but Funa Tonaki already had the collar choke in place, so moves directly to a submission attempt. She actually didn't get the tap here. She has improved, and recently she's won a couple of matches using the clock choke. Well, thank you for watching. This was the first in a series of videos I'm going to be making on Funa Tonaki. I'm going to be looking at both her groundwork and also the way she's able to connect her groundwork and her stand-up strategies. If you're interested, please subscribe. Goodbye.